even as Americans, virtually to the last person, we celebrate freedom, that the operative definition of freedom has come to be badly distorted and unsustainable. Not everybody adheres to this distorted definition of freedom, but the most commonplace understanding of freedom is that, in essence, it is a permission slip for conspicuous consumption and self-indulgence, with very little attention being given to exactly who's going to pay the bills. And I think in some respects, the global war on terror and the vast ambitions that inform the global war on terror really is intended to sustain this false, I would say, definition of freedom, to defer the necessity for us actually to examine that false definition and to consider whether or not we shouldn't be living our lives in different ways that could make fighting wars in places like Iraq and Afghanistan unnecessary.
You know, Roosevelt spoke of the four freedoms. I've got a different definition of the four freedoms. It's freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, and freedom to shop.
Well, that's what it's become.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And if you remember, as I'm sure you do, when after 9/11 hit, George Bush's advice to the country was keep shopping, go to the mall to show these terrorists that we will not be dissuaded from our chosen way of life. Mm-hmm. Unbelievable.
This excerpt is brought to you by the Massachusetts School of Law, the leader of reform in legal education and a leader in multimedia education for the public. To view the full interview and for a full listing of MSL's programs, log on to mslaw.edu.